Morning, YouTubers. What's up? Got a double deal here today. Milwaukee. Y'all ain't ever seen this knife. 3-inch blade, 4-inch handle. Fits good. Lock back here. I know you've just seen this razor knife, box cutter. Had that thing a long time since it come out, I guess. Easy change blades. There's right in your pocket, real easy. It's light. Handy too. This knife come real pretty sharp. Easy to cut yourself. It's well made. Thicker blades than most. That spring looks pretty thick too. Well, I thought I'd show you these two. Have a great day. Stay safe. Subscribe. God bless you and thank you, thank you, thank you.